Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
सब बच्चे एकदम हैप्पी
How are you all?
दे दो यार
I'm fine, thank you.
Red color chaukia. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Arav. Good morning, Tanisha. Good morning, Pranit.
हाँ बोलो दिव्या गुड मॉर्निंग मैम
Good morning, Arav. How are you?
गुड हाउ आर यू तो बोलो
Hello.
Good morning.
अच्छा बोलो मैम हाउ आर यू
I'm also fine. Okay, let's wait for a few more minutes. Then we will start with the prayers. Okay? Fine.
So, आप मुझे बताओ आप आज अपनी टेबल अच्छे से सेट कर ली? आपने टेबल बनाना सीखे थे उस दिन आपने अपनी टेबल अच्छे से सेट कर ली? Give me thumbs up. Give me thumbs up. Very good. और उसके बाद आपने हमेशा टेबल लेट के अपना लंच, ब्रेकफास्ट और डिनर किया? टेबल चेयर पे बैठ के? Nobody. I hope nobody was sitting on the bed and eating. कोई भी बेड पे बैठ के नहीं खा रहा था? Yes.
Thumbs up.
Yes.
Very good. Very
You
good.
all are such a good babies. Very good.
चलो मैम, let's start the prayer.
Yes.
Yes,
Everyone, join your hands. Everyone, join your hands. Close your eyes. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता मन का
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता
मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना
मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना
हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमें
हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे
भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना
भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता
मन का विश्वास
कमजोर होना हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना God be in mind
God be in my mind
and in my understanding.
in my understanding
God be in my eyes
God be my eyes
and in my looking.
and
in my looking
God be in my mouth
God be in my mouth
and in speaking.
and
in my speaking
God be with me
God be with me
and in my soul.
and in my
in my
soul.
soul.
Amen.
Amen.
God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. It's so high. You can't get over it. So deep, you can't get under it. So wide, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. Be
Careful, little
careful,
eyes, what you
what
see.
you see. Be careful, little eyes, what you see. There's a father up above who is looking down with love. So be careful, little eyes, what you see. Be careful, little mouth, what you speak. Be careful, little mouth, what you speak. There's a father up above looking down with love. So be careful, little mouth, what you speak. Be careful, little hands, what you do. Be careful, little hands, what you do. The father up above who is looking down with love. So be careful,
little
hands, what you do. Be
Careful, little feet,
where you go. Be
Careful, little
feet where you go. There's a father up above who is looking down with love. So be careful, feet.
where you go.
Very good. Now babies, do you know what we have learned in our last session? हमने क्या learn किया था? We have learned about table manners. What we have learned? We have learned about table manners. Okay. So let's do a recap on that. Jaldi se, are you all ready? Show me your thumbs up. Do like this. फटाफट से recap करें. Very good. Now, what we have to do before coming to dining table पे आने से पहले क्या करना चाहिए हमें? क्या करना चाहिए? We should wash hands properly with soap and water. What we should do? क्या करना चाहिए? We should wash our hands with soap and water. Right? Right? So, are you all washing your hands before and after meals? Are you doing that?
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. Good babies you are. Okay. Now, how we should sit on the chair? Should we sit like this or should we straight? कैसे बैठना चाहिए? How we should sit? कैसे बैठना चाहिए? Should we bend or should we sit straight? Who will tell me कैसे बैठना चाहिए हमें? We should always sit straight on the dining chair. Dining table पे हमेशा we should sit straight. Right? So are you all sitting straight? सब सीधे से बैठिए. Very good. And we should never keep our elbows on the table like this. We should never keep our elbows on the table. Our elbows should be down. Our arms should be on our arms should be straight. Okay? We should never keep our elbows on the table. Right? Okay? And who will tell me why we use small spoon? Small spoon क्यों use करते हैं हम? कौन बताएगा? किसी को पता है? मैम ने बताया था, सोनिया मैम ने उस दिन हम small spoon क्यों use करते हैं?
All children tell to ma'am.
क्यों use करते हैं हम small spoon?
For dessert and for cake.
Yes, for dessert and for cakes. Very good. And what purpose we use quarter plate, small plate क्यों करते हैं हम? Small plate क्यों use करते हैं? मैंने बताया था ना? Think करो फटाफट से.
Small plate for roti, paratha.
For roti.
For bread, we keep our breads on small plate, right? ठीक है?
Okay.
And why we use bigger plate? Big plate क्यों use करते हैं? Why we use bigger plates?
For vegetables,
For
salad.
main course, right?
Yes.
For main course, we use plate, and for bread we use small plates.
Main
Right.
course means for food.
So you want to learn more about table manners? सबको न्यू चीजें सीखनी है table manners के बारे में. You want to learn more things? You want to learn more about table manners? Yes. Very good. So are you all ready? Are you all excited? Okay, very good. Now Sonia ma'am will tell us more about table manners. Over to Sonia ma'am.
Thank you, Divya ma'am. Good morning, kids.
Good morning.
Am I audible to you?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Good morning. Good morning. Quickly do one thing. Hands up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. And now sit straight. Yes. Show me your table. You have set the table. Today we are going to eat something. I'll tell you how to eat on the dining table. Wow, everybody has set the table so beautifully. Very good. So, we have washed the hands, as Divya ma'am has told us. We wash the hands and wipe the hand with a clean towel. Now, what we have to do? Pull the chair. See, ma'am is sitting on the chair. And all you will also sit on the chair. Your back straight. Now, we'll use this napkin. ये napkin होता है बेटा, जैसे it's kind of a cloth or a tissue. You can also use tissue. ये प्लेट की लेफ्ट साइड पे रखते हैं, यहाँ पे. जब हम टेबल सेट करते हैं ना, उसको यहाँ पे रखते हैं. सब अपना क्लोथ उठाओ. Come on, open the folds of the cloth. Open your napkin. You can also use the paper napkin if you don't have this napkin. You can use a paper napkin too. So, देखो मैम ने अपने napkin को खोल लिया. Now put this napkin not here, not there, on your lap. On your lap. See?
राजा
Put
बच्चा.
your napkin on your legs, both of your legs, your lap. क्यों रखते हैं नैपकिन को? अगर हम फूड खा रहे हैं और फूड स्प्रिंकल हो जाए तो हमारे क्लोथ्स गंदे नहीं होंगे. ओके? यस. नाउ सी, अगर हम किसी रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हैं या घर पे भी मम्मा पहले सूप सर्व करती है तो सूप बाउल यूज करते हैं. हाउ वी हैव टू हैव सूप विद अ बिगर स्पून. कम ऑन, पिक अप द बिगर स्पून एंड होल्ड इट लाइक द पेंसिल. पेंसिल की तरह होल्ड करते हैं एंड वी नेवर डू दिस लाइक दिस. करते हैं ना आप लोग ऐसे ऐसे करके पियो, फिर या फिर ऐसे करके. नो, दिस इज नॉट द राइट वे टू हैव सूप. जस्ट सिट properly, not much back or not lean down. You have to sit at a balanced place and have soup. है ना? ऐसे मजा आ रहा है? And don't do like this. No, don't make noise. So now we are keeping the spoon back, and I'm gonna tell you that how the most important thing, that how we use the fork and the knife. Big fork. Hold the big fork in your left hand. Show me your left hand. सबको पता है ना left hand कौन सा होता है? Hold the fork in your left hand and the knife in your right hand. Right hand कौन सा होता है जिससे हम लिखते हैं? Pull कर लिया सबने? Now I'm going to pour some cottage cheese. ये देखो पनीर in the big plate. अगर हमें कुछ स्नैक्स, कोई कटलेट या स्पेगेटी या चाउमीन या पास्ता खाना तो हम बिग प्लेट में खाते हैं. So we are going to eat. I'm going to tell you that how we are eating the cottage cheese. या कोई स्नैक्स अगर हमें कोई सर्व करता है तो उसे कैसे खाते हैं. Put the cheese. अब अपनी बिग प्लेट में चीज डालो. मैम के साथ साथ करोगे, मम्मा पापा आपको सिर्फ गाइड करेंगे, but it hold the cutlery in your hands. See, open your hands. ये आपकी पाम के बीच में आनी चाहिए और इधर से नाइफ भी आपके पाम के बीच में आना चाहिए. Yes? Now see, this is a fork. You'll not hold the fork ऐसे. No. Hit हो सकता है ना आपको. You'll hold the fork in the backward position ऐसे. ये देखो, ये जो कर्व है इसको हम नीचे रखेंगे और नाइफ के शार्प एंड को भी नीचे रखेंगे, किसी के लग ना जाए या हमारे ना लग जाए. Done. Dimple ma'am, please keep a check that they are holding properly.
Yes, ma'am. I just told Trisha. Trisha, sit on the chair, betu. Sit on the chair, bache. Everybody, all of your friends are sitting on the chair and table.
Tanisha has already started eating. Very good.
Very good.
So,
Naira.
Just look at ma'am. First of all, see, I have 4 pieces of cheese in my table, on my plate, right? So, I'm not going to use all the pieces. ये नहीं, इसको भी काट ले, इसको भी काट ले, इसको भी काट ले. No.
Put aside your bowl. Put aside your bowl. Put aside your bowl. Yes.
See,
So
suppose
do you
we are
have
having 4 pieces.
Do you have cheese?
I hope everyone is having give a thumbs up to ma'am.
Give a thumbs up to ma'am. Tell ma'am that we are doing. Say
If
yes.
you're not understanding, just me, I'll tell you again. अगर किसी को नहीं समझ में आ रहा, मैम दोबारा से बताएगी.
You can ask again.
Parents, if you don't have cheese or paneer, it's okay. You can just cut a piece of cucumber or any salad that you have at home. You can put it in the plate. You can put it in the plate so that at least children get to learn.
Use the fruit too, any kind of banana or some mango.
Yashvi, put aside your bowl, beta. Don't keep it in the big plate. Don't keep the bowl in the big plate. Yes.
So the knife in the right hand, fork in the left hand, and close them with your hands, with your palms. Now, what we are going to do is, see, touch the fork to the slice and cut it like this. क्यों इसको होल्ड किया है? ये जो दूसरा वाला उसका पार्ट है वो पीछे ना है या आवाज ना आए. See, I have cut it. Everyone is going to cut with Sonia ma'am. Yes. Now, and in your mouth.
Very good, Arav Kaushik. Very good, Adira.
Once again we do. Repeat with me. Hold the piece with the fork and we're going to cut, and cut. Don't do like this or like this. No. इसको hold किया. You can also keep the knife on your plate if you want to make him rest like this. Simple. And now how are you eating? How you have to eat? With your mouth closed.
Ara, sit down,
Don't
beta.
munch.
Ara,
Children,
sit down.
very important thing I want to tell you. जब भी हम खाना खाते हैं ना, हमें अपना माउथ ओपन नहीं करना है ऐसे करके. No, you will not eat like this. How you will eat? कैसे खाओगे आप? Close your mouth.
Very good, Shivika.
देखा सोनिया मैम को, देखा कैसे मंच कर रही है सोनिया मैम.
No, Shivika, close your mouth. Yes.
Nobody will eat like this. Yeah, ऐसे करके. No, this is a very bad manner to sit like lean down and open your mouth and you're not closing your mouth properly. जो भी आपके साथ बैठे होंगे वो कहेंगी he or she is a bad baby. उसको खाना ही नहीं आता है ना? So you'll keep your mouth closed and then you'll eat. And once you're finished with the food, then only you'll talk. मम्मा ने आपसे कुछ पूछा है, अगर आप खाना खा रहे हो, आपके मुंह में कोई बाइट है, तो मम्मा आपसे कुछ या कोई भी आपसे कुछ पूछ रहा है, यू से, आप ऐसे बात करोगे, गिव मी 1 minute, नो, ओके, ऐसे नहीं करना है. यू से, यू फिनिश योर फूड एंड देन यू विल टॉक. ओके. और जब भी आपके माउथ के अंदर आपका फूड है, you will not have water. See, suppose I'm having this cheese slice. See. सारा का सारा फूड बाहर आ जाएगा. First of all, finish your food in the mouth. See? Done. Now hold the glass with your right hand and have water. Never drink water when you are having the food in your mouth. इससे क्या होगा, सारा फूड बाहर आ जाएगा एंड आपके ऊपर जो वाटर के स्प्रिंकल्स भी हैं वो भी आ जाएंगे. So finish the food, the particular bite which you are munching, उसको finish करेंगे. फिर हम क्या करेंगे, water को water if you feel like having water, so try that you don't have water in your meals.
Very good, Rishi. You're eating like a pro.
So
Very
are you able to use this fork and knife? सबको पता लगे कैसे use करते हैं fork and knife को?
Yes, ma'am. These babies are doing very nicely. बहुत अच्छे से कर रहे हैं.
If you want to go to washroom when you are eating food, unless it's very emergency to you, just say, excuse me, mama, excuse me, papa, and keep your fork and knife like this. And say, excuse me to everyone, and then you can go to washroom. And you're having this napkin on your lap, don't put your napkin like this. No. Or don't put your napkin like this. You'll stand up and keep your napkin at the back of your chair. And then you can move on to washroom. Keep the napkin at the back of your chair and then you can go to washroom. Okay. Good, babies? Very good. Now everybody is going to say that these kids are so good at eating food. Okay. When you are done with your food, जब आपका food finish हो गया है, how are you going to keep the fork and the knife? See? Cross it. Cross like me and keep it like this. Or you can put down. Done? Done?
Done, everyone.
मजा आया आपको? मजा आया आपको? Now, after eating food, जब आप खाना खाते हो, खाना आप चपाती और सब्जी को hands के साथ खाते हो? Yes, when you go to when you go to any place to eat food with your mama, what you have to do, they give you. I should keep this aside. आप किसी रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हो ना, तो आपको खाना खाने के बाद आप बाउल मिलता है. See, it's called finger bowl. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Finger bowl. क्यों दिया जाता है ये? It is having a lukewarm water. बहुत ही हल्का हल्का गर्म पानी इसमें डाल दिया जाता है and there is a lemon slice in it. See? किसने किसने देखा है ये जब मम्मा पापा के साथ आप खाना खाने जाते हो? Who has seen? Raise your hand.
Raise your hands. Tell ma'am. Have you seen it before?
The person who is serving you food, वो आपको finger bowl देते हैं. इस तरह से आप उसको यूज करते हो. साथ में आपको एक napkin भी दिया जाता है. Now your hands are dirty. You had your food. Your hands are dirty. Your nails are dirty. So you are going to dip your tip of the fingers. सिर्फ देखो tip of the fingers in the bowl. See, dip, 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 dip. It should not be a cold water. And see the lemon slice को अपने ऐसे nails पे लगाएंगे. Why we are rubbing this slice on the nails? So that all the germs which are on our nails shall vanish. Yes?
Yes, all the germs should go away.
जब हमने खाना खाया इस पे सारी सब्जी लग गई ना तो germs बन गए तो lemon will help to remove that germs. So we are going to scrub it on our nails and then we're going to do like this, clean, and don't do like this. No.
Sonia ma'am, all the children are enjoying this activity. They love
Yes.
playing with water now.
Actually,
Yeah.
You don't have to play. Okay, you play water afterwards, but you don't have to play right now or whenever you go somewhere. आपको ऐसे खेलना नहीं है. पता है कुछ bad babies कैसे करते हैं? ऐसे 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 ऐसे. No, this is a bad manners. Bad manners. We have to clean our hands properly, and then we are going to wipe our hands with a clean napkin. See, like this. Yes. Wipe your hands.
Very, very
To
good.
wipe your hands, you have to use a other napkin, not the
Yes,
napkin which is
use
on your lap.
fresh
Fresh
napkin. Yes, fresh towel, fresh
If you're
napkin.
not having the napkin, you can use a paper napkin, not the towel, anything.
Yes.
But don't you wipe your hands like this. Parents I have seen, or we have seen so many kids doing like this and cleaning their hands like this, or wiping with the, with the clothes. So just give them, either give them paper napkins or small towel आप इनको दे सकते हैं जो कि आप घर पे use कर सकते हैं. They can wipe their hands after eating their food. Yes, my baby. So you enjoyed it. Now everybody
ma'am.
knows how to eat food on the
loved
dining
it,
table.
ma'am.
Sit together with your mama, papa, with your dadi, dadu, and have meal together so that you can bond together. And basic manners आपको अगर अभी आएंगी ना तभी आप होकर अगर कहीं पे जाओगे, किसी को मिलने जाओगे, कहीं पे आप वर्क करोगे अपनी वर्क प्लेस पे तो आपको पता होगा कि कैसे खाना खाना चाहिए. If you eat properly, the other person will feel so good. वो इतना impress होगा आपको देख के कि इनको इतनी अच्छी अच्छी बातें किसने सिखाई है. वो तो सब आता है वो दिल से.
Yes, ma'am. They are very smart babies.
Everyone will be going to clap for you, so clap for yourself.
Clap for
You're a good baby.
yourself.
Pat your back. You're my good
Very
baby.
good.
you all are very good babies.
So promise me that you're going to eat from today onwards your food on the dining table, not on the bed, not on the floor, but on the dining table properly. And ask your mama, papa, listen. Ask your mama, papa not to use phone on the dining table. Okay? Mama, papa को क्या बोलना आपने? That keep your phones aside.
Yes, it's family time.
Family time. अगर मम्मा पापा फोन यूज करेंगे तो आप भी करोगे तो मम्मा पापा को बोलो फोन नहीं यूज करना जब हम खाना खा रहे हैं.
और सोना मैम, मैं आपको एक सीक्रेट
ma'am.
बताऊं.
Yes,
अगर ये
ma'am.
good babies बनेंगे ना तो मैम अभी ये ब्रेक के बाद 5 मिनट्स के ब्रेक के बाद मैम will do this fun activity with you.
Oh wow, it's so beautiful.
Do you want to make a table mat?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
सुंदर
ma'am, I
सुंदर
want to
table mat
do.
बनाना है.
Ma'am, I'll do.
Yes, ma'am. We all
Very
want to do.
good. मम्मा तो मार्केट से लेकर आती है बट आप मम्मा को बोलना नो आई एम वेरी स्मार्ट आई कैन मेक इट ऑन माय ओन. सी
Wow.
watermelons. You go and get all the things. It's a secret. Go and get all things and I promise you we will do a very fun table mat making activity. Okay? Give me
Okay.
thumbs up.
Give a thumbs up.
Your time starts now. Go. Get your things. Quickly.
So we will be right back after 5 minutes. Bye-bye.
Bye everyone. See you after 5 minutes.